Come test drive the 2018 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, rear wheel drive. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.